We're really looking forward to April because then we're going to be launching the Cardiff Capital Region Skills Partnership. This will replace LSKIP and it'll be an integral part of the Cardiff Capital Region structure because the Employment and Skills Board, along with our other partnerships, the Regional Transport Authority, the Economic Growth Partnership and the Regional Business Organisation, will play an increasingly important role in the new regional structures and a role, of course, in our wider investment fund proposals. Our aspiration is quite clear. We want to create partnerships that help us to deliver improved outcomes. Doing the same is no longer an option. Our communities need us to think outside the box and work outside those traditional boundaries that we had and work across the Cardiff Capital Region. Now, my cabinet responsibility is skills, and within that we have an 8-point plan for employment and skills in the region, and colleges and other institutions will be key stakeholders in this and key to successful delivery. We look forward to working with all our partners in developing the next iteration of the employment skills plan and clearly defining the recommendations for skills investment. We're exploring a city deal Skills for the Future, a proposal for the region that'll build on successful practice elsewhere and creating opportunities for all our partners, schools, colleges, universities, organisations, employers, to engage and to support in delivery in partnership, of course, with our local authorities. Now, we've got key opportunities and key investments in these areas. We've got the compound semiconductor plant here in Newport. We've got the huge development of the metro, where city deal investments will create new opportunities. It's our absolute responsibility to work together to capitalise on these investments, and we need to develop the skills amongst our communities that'll enable them to benefit with the jobs being created through our city deal.